Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share my favorite dessert, which is Paal Kolukattai. This is an authentic and traditional South Indian dessert. To begin with, I'm going to prepare the rice flour balls. Take 3 cups of water in a saucepan. Boil the water nicely. Take 2 cups of idiyappam rice flour. These rice flours are roasted one. You can use Kolukattai flour as well. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely and add in the boiling water. Leave it for a few seconds and stir it. The dough will be too hot, so use a spoon to stir it. The rice flour and the water has combined well. Cool the dough for 5 to 10 minutes so that we'll be able to knead it with the hands. When the dough is hot enough to touch, knead it nicely using your hand. Make small balls out of this dough. So this is the time-consuming process to make the Kolukattai. Cute little rice flour balls are ready now. Next, I'm going to cook these rice flour balls. I'm going to prepare Paal Kolukattai in this urli. Add in 4 cups of water. Paal Kolukattai is a traditional Chettinad dish. Make Paal Kolukattai in a big vessel like this. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cover it and boil the water. Water should be boiling like this. Once the water simmers, add in the rice flour balls. Cook the rice flour balls in water. Do not mix it with spoon at this point of time, because the rice balls will break when you mix it with spoon. It took nearly 15 minutes for me to cook the rice balls. You could see the mix has thickened. Now add in 1 cup of sugar. In final stage, add in 1 cup of thick coconut milk. In goes 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix everything well and cook it for 1 minute and switch off the flame. If you find Paal Kolukattai is a bit loose consistency, means you can mix in little rice flour in water and add it to it. So the rice flour acts as a thickening agent. Do not cook the Paal Kolukattai much after adding the first coconut milk. Switch off the flame once it boils. Paal Kolukattai will thicken once it cools down. Beautiful looking Paal Kolukattai is ready to be served now. Do try this delicious dessert and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.